All right, so the Department of Transportation is looking for someone to help them with fuel quality. The Department of Transportation, this falls under the NAICS code 541380. H291 is the product service code. And what they're looking for is someone to support the Maritime National Defense Reserve Fleet in terms of providing with fuel oil quality management program, contracts for laboratory services for the next 5 years, or essentially one base year with 4-year option. Why do I like this opportunity? So when I was helping one of my clients get their first contract at Hanscom Air Force Base up there in Connecticut, the first contract they gave us was a sampling contract. And so we had to go out and sample soil, take it back to the lab, and then produce a result. It wasn't a big contract. It was a small contract, but it was very low risk because we just had to send a guy out there, grab the samples, take it back to the laboratory. We got an outside third-party laboratory. They tested us, they gave us reports, and then we turned it into the government. Very easy contract. They gave it to us, IDIQ, multiple years, but it got us inside to start talking to people about other opportunities. We were able to show them that we could perform on something little, and then they start giving us bigger and bigger chances. So again, I would imagine that people who do laboratory services are not on here looking for these types of bids. So you can reach out to people that do fuel oil quality sampling, right? And then you could actually contract them out. There's gonna have to be some component where someone has to go grab the samples and then send it to the labs, and that could be the part that you do in this project, and then you contract out the lab work. That's what I would do. If you're interested in this bid, type below fuel, and I'll send it over to you. Subscribe for daily wins.